Hello, and this is Jim from Tech Buzz. Now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Edifier W830BT wireless stereo headphones. These offer 95 hours of playing and they've got 60 days standby, which is pretty cool. And on the back it'll give us some information as to the features and so on. We have a 90-degree swivel on both sides and folding hinge for compact and travel, and you get a travel case inside. You've got Bluetooth 4.1 travel case, optimized audio, 10-meter Bluetooth connection and 3.5mm audio connection, and that's pretty cool. So off the bat they have pretty good specs. So what we'll do is we'll check them out, and first of all, find out where we open this box, and it pops up at the side here, I think, or does it slide out? Slide out. So once we take off the main sleeve, we've got another box underneath with Edifier branding on the front, and it's nicely presented indeed, and it just has Edifier all over the packaging, top, bottom, and the model number down here. So we'll take off the main box itself, and again we're presented with a nice big presentable case here, which is a tough case, so excellent for traveling. And of course we get our information booklet here, and the rest is just padding in the box. So what we'll do is zip this off and see what's inside. So immediately we're presented with the headphones themselves, which is pretty cool. We've got an NFC logo here, Edifier branding on the cups, and the model number here on the sides, like so, and again up on top. So we've got padding up here on the headband here, which is pretty nice and will be comfortable for long-term use. And again the same on the cups here, and they're fairly deep, which is pretty cool. And again this is nice soft material here, soft leather, which is excellent. And we can see the swivel here on the actual cup itself, and it's the same both sides. And again we have some movement here in and out again on both sides, so easily to rest on your ears. We have an extension band of course on each side here, which is pretty clicky as you can hear, so it's pretty solid. Same again on this side here, and down on the bottom here we have DC in, and we've got our 3.5mm headphone socket there. We've got a mic here, and we've got another one here, and this will be our LED status light here, and of course there are buttons here for plus, pause and fast forward, etc. So this will be used to skip tracks and so on, and they seem pretty clicky indeed, so you'll know where you are when you're pressing them blindly. Up on top here is an interesting piece you can see sticking out here. This is on both sides, so that's interesting as well. And the cups are removable, so you can clean them, so they'll just pop in and out there on their little clips, and just clip back in pretty simply, and pretty nice indeed. And of course, as I said, this is where we'll charge the unit here via micro USB, and that's pretty much it. And we shall get these charged up and test them out and see what they sound like. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with us through all our social media channels, and they fold up as well. Everyone will fold them up their own way, so this is probably the best, but they do settle in the case like so, the travel case, which is pretty cool. And also in the travel case here we have a pouch to store all our little goods, which is in here. So we've got our 3.5mm audio cable here, and our micro USB to USB here, so everything is there that you need. And when not in use, you can just pop them in there like so. And pop these into the case like that, and you're pretty much sorted. So that's the Edifier W830BT wireless Bluetooth headset. Talk to you in the next one. Stay tuned for a full review soon.